First news. On the auspicious occasion of Navratri and Hindu New Year, Ekal Shri Ram Katha is being organized in Janmashtami Park, Punjabi Bagh West, Delhi. During the 9-day Katha, Chandi Mahayagya is also being performed by 108 Rishi Kumars, so that the ideological purification of the country and society can take place. Ram Katha Vyaspeeth is being done from the mouth of Param Pujya Bhai Shri Ramesh Bhai Ji Ojha. During the Katha, Bhai Shri Ramesh Bhai Ji Ojha praised the Ekal Abhiyan and said that till now, Ekal Abhiyan has been connecting more than 30 lakh children with Sanskar education through 1 lakh schools. There is a hope that soon Ekal Abhiyan will reach lakhs of villages and contribute to the progress of the country. A replica of Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi temple was also installed, where all the guests, officials, workers and common people who reached the Katha took the blessings of Lord Ram. On the first day of the Katha, the grand inauguration of the 116th Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was held at Janmashtami ground. In this program, Shri Hari Charan Garg duly worshipped in the memory of Shri Hari Mandir Rath donors late Tuhi Ram Garg and Sarja Devi Garg. Many dignitaries, including Shri Lakshmi Narayan Goyal, were present on this occasion. A grand Kalash Yatra was also taken out before the Katha. On 2nd April, Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, attended the Ekal Shri Ram Katha as the chief guest. During her presence, she also attended the Aarti. In her address after the Katha, CM Rekha Gupta said that she has been associated with Ekal for the last 25 years. She has not only seen closely the efforts being made by Ekal for the society, but has also participated in it.
मैं पिछले 25 सालों से एकल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। मैं वहाँ आती थी और सारे कार्यक्रम एकल के जितने होते थे महिला संगठन में जुड़ के काम करती थी।
On 2nd April, Delhi government ministers Pravesh Verma and Manjinder Singh Sirsha, who reached the Ekal Shri Ram Katha as guests to know and understand the life of Lord Ram, congratulated the officials and workers on the completion of 25 years of the establishment of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad and also praised the work done by Ekal Abhiyan. Both the ministers listened to the Ram Katha and received the blessings of Lord Ram. During this, they also saw the exhibition of Ekal.
तो एकल कर रहा है, शायद ही दुनिया में कोई संस्था इतना अच्छा काम कर पाए।
एक वातावरण ऐसे प्रभु राम जी के साक्षात दर्शन जहाँ हो रहे हों और गुरु जी का भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ इतनी सुंदर कथा और प्रभु के चरणों के साथ जोड़ने का जिन्होंने काम किया।
Fourth news. UP Minister Nand Gopal Gupta Nandi also attended the Ekal Shri Ram Katha as the chief guest. He listened to the Ram Katha from Bhai Shri Ramesh Bhai Ji Ojha and performed Aarti. During his conversation with Ekal Bharat, he appreciated the work being done by Ekal Abhiyan for education in the remote areas of the country and also expressed confidence that soon Ekal Abhiyan will achieve the historic goal set by itself.
एकल में तमाम दूर दराज जहाँ सरकार या सरकारी विद्यालय नहीं है वहाँ भी पेड़ के नीचे कहीं भी एक छोटे से टीन सेट के नीचे इतना अच्छा सुंदर कार्य करते हैं और विद्या देने का काम कर रहे हैं। मैं बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Various stalls were also set up in the 9-day Shri Ram Katha to display the works and contributions of Ekal Abhiyan, which included pictures showing the journey of 25 years of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad as well as glimpses of Ekal Gram Uthan, which makes rural India self-reliant by connecting people in villages with self-reliance and self-employment. Apart from this, rural and city organizations including Ekal on Wheels bus and Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath were also present as a center of attraction for the people. Vivekananda Study Room was inaugurated in GRC Center by the youth team of Vanbandhu Parishad Bhopal chapter. Ekal Yuva's president Mrs. Aparna Bansal, Nitin Bansal, Arna Bansal, Jatin Khurana and other dignitaries inaugurated the study room by performing the ritualistic worship. This tour concluded after visiting Babai Swing Center, Churna and Mahindrawadi Vidyalaya village. Ekal Gramothan Foundation IVD Virat Nagar distributed seeds to farmers and discussed the importance of organic farming. Farmers were made aware of the side effects of chemical medicines and emphasis was made on promoting the use of organic fertilizers.